Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. So today we're going to be talking about Surfshark. This is a short and sweet and to the point kind of review, and let's just get straight into it. Before we begin, if you guys are interested in a longer or more in-depth review that gets into all kinds of things, then you can check the link in the description down below. I'll make sure to put the full review, and you'll also find links to pricing or discounts if you want to go straight to that. Now, to put it simply, Surfshark is actually one of the best VPNs out there, despite being a budget level VPN. In fact, it's actually become one of the VPN giants alongside Express and Nord, I would say, except that Surfshark actually keeps adding features to the same application to the point that we now have an alert system, a fully fledged antivirus, a safe search feature, and an ID protection feature. And right here we have all kinds of VPN settings. But essentially you can go for the standard plan. If you want the extra features, you can go for the 1 or 1 Plus plans. But today we're specifically talking about the VPN. So if I were to just sum this up, this is definitely one of the best VPNs you can get out there, simply because you're going to be able to do everything that a good VPN is, and it'll do all of that while keeping you as secure as possible. Not to mention that you'll be able to secure virtually an unlimited number of devices with just a single subscription. So you can share it around with as many friends and family members as you would like without any worries or, whether or not you're going to reach a limit. I think the hard cap is at 100 devices, but good luck connecting Surfshark to 100 devices. And besides that, you do have over 3,200 servers in 100 countries. So this is only second to Express VPN, which has 105 countries, and that is the biggest roster of countries in any VPN. And Surfshark's definitely keeping up quite nicely. Now, some of you guys may be asking, can I still torrent with Surfshark? I mean, we don't have any peer-to-peer specialty servers, but you can definitely still torrent using any of the servers. But you still have specialty servers like multi-hop for double the security if you'd like your connection to be routed through 2 servers instead of just 1 for double the encryption. And static IP will always give you the same IP address every time you return to any of these servers. So this will help you avoid any of these CAPTCHA prompts, and this can be useful in also a variety of other situations. You can still stream also, so you can access all kinds of streaming services or any websites, be it betting websites or any other websites that are not available to you, or maybe games that are not available in your region. You can definitely get the early access games that you're looking for, or if you're looking for discounts in foreign markets, just connect to the country that you're looking to connect to, and that's essentially it. So as far as torrenting and streaming, Surfshark does amazing. Now, what about privacy? Will they share your information with other parties? Well, thankfully, no, because they do have a no-logs policy, so they claim that they don't collect any information, but obviously that's not enough. So they went ahead and conducted a bunch of independent audits, and what these third-party auditors will do is they will make sure that the VPN service is not collecting any information and it's indeed upholding the claimed no-logs policy, and they make sure that the VPN provider's system network and everything is going well and that the servers are as safe as possible. So with these audits, we get audit reports, and from the audit reports, it seems like Surfshark is doing actually very well. So they don't share it despite relocating to the Netherlands, even though the Netherlands is part of the 14 Eyes jurisdiction, which is an alliance of countries that share information. Surfshark still maintains a very clean track record, and even if they were asked by the government to hand over any information, Surfshark wouldn't really be able to hand over any information since they don't keep any in the first place, and that is evidenced in independent audit reports. So to sum up, if you're looking to torrent safely, you can definitely do that with Surfshark. If you'd like to stream and access websites or services that are not available to you, you can definitely do that. If you're looking for the VPN features that you would expect out of any VPN, like the kill switch and split tunneling, which is called bypasser here, you also have a speed tester and an ad blocker and a couple of features that'll help you if you're in a censorship heavy country. Then you've got all that available. Not to mention that if you opt for any higher tier plan, you'll be getting a full cybersecurity package, so that's always nice. You have little helpful things here and there. You can favorite your service. You can put a specific server to quick connect every time. As you can tell right here, I have the Dallas server, so anytime I want to connect to the Dallas server, I don't have to look for it. I can just click quick connect and we'll be good to go. If you just want to secure your data while you're on public Wi-Fi, you can definitely do that, since Surfshark is very safe. And again, you'll be able to share it around with everyone you know, essentially. So with one account, you'll actually be getting a lot of value. So if that's something that interests you and you feel like like Surfshark is a good VPN for you and you like what it offers, it's a budget VPN that gets the job done at the cheapest possible cost without necessarily sacrificing any of the VPN features that you need to keep your devices secure, and you can share it around as much as you want, it's a pretty good deal, honestly. But I would say the only nitpick I have is that the WireGuard protocol doesn't always work with all the servers, so that means I'm not necessarily at my fastest speeds all the time since the WireGuard protocol is the fastest. But that doesn't mean it's slow, it just means that it's not necessarily keeping up only as far as performance, I would say, with other giants like Express and Nord, since they're clearly faster. In my tests, I noticed that Express and Nord on average 5 to 10% faster than Surfshark. And that's not a lot, but it's worth pointing out. If you really care about maximizing your speed, you might want to go for something else. But otherwise, Surfshark is a fantastic VPN. So that'll be it for this video. And if you guys are interested in Surfshark, there will be an exclusive discount linked down below, because if you go directly to Surfshark's website, you're not really going to be able to get the best deal possible, but the link below will allow you to cash in on a pretty nice discount. So make sure to check it out if you guys are interested. Besides that, comment below if you have any questions. I'll be happy to answer all of them. Like and subscribe if you'd like to support the channel and stay up to date with everything VPNs and cybersecurity. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.